The large SUV Harrier, which appeared in a wide lineup of Toyota in 1997, turned out to be so successful that with virtually no changes, not counting the location of the steering wheel, since 1998 under the name Lexus RX 330, it sells well in the USA, and then as RX 300 in Europe. Harrier, a combination of rationality and prestige. He looks like a thoroughbred hunting dog, whose exterior is evidence of the well-being of the owner. The combination of a spacious, richly finished body with large wheels and decent ground clearance makes it clear that the car has not only speed, but also off-road capabilities. The body is load-bearing, the suspensions are independent, the gearbox is automatic. The Harrier was produced in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, with automatic center differential lock versions. A comfortable high-speed station wagon has good acceleration and braking dynamics, good handling for a tall car. In Russian conditions, of course, an all-wheel drive option is preferable. Moreover, the price of used cars hardly depends on the type of drive. The basic equipment is rich. In addition to the usual electrical amenities, there is a built-in multimedia unit with a TV and navigation. The trouble is that she writes and speaks only in Japanese. Left-hand analog. The Lexus RX 30 or RX 300 is an almost exact copy of the 3-liter Toyota Harrier. Outwardly, it is distinguished by nameplates and the absence of an additional mirror on the wing. In the cabin, as a rule, leather, there is cruise control, navigation, for a fee. The main difference is in the price. An American of the same year of manufacture in a comparable condition is 25 to 30% more expensive.